The inner critic speaks like a tyrant, and many people obey like servants. It says you are late, you are weak, you are not enough. Then you treat that voice as reality, and your spirit bends. The Stoics would call this the rule of a false judge. A voice is speaking, but it does not have authority unless you grant it. So here is the voice audit. 3 steps built for emotional pain, because pain makes the critic louder and silence makes it sound true. Step 1. Separate the speaker from the self. Say, "This is a critic impression, not my character." 1 line, then a long exhale. This creates space, and space is freedom. Step 2. Demand evidence. The critic makes global claims. Always, never, everyone, no one. Those are propaganda words, not truth words. So you ask, what facts support this, and what facts contradict it? Write 3 contradictions. Even small, even simple. 1 thing you completed. 1 hard day you survived. 1 moment you acted with courage. The critic hates facts, because facts remove its drama. Step 3. Translate insult into instruction. The critic says you are pathetic. You translate it into a training question. What skill is missing? What boundary is needed? What action is next? Insults paralyze. Instruction mobilizes. Now add the Stoic guardrail. Do not debate for hours. Audit once, then prove once. Choose 1 proof action that matches your values. 1 email sent, 1 page written, 1 workout started, 1 apology made, 1 boundary stated. Proof is how you build self-respect. Self-respect is not a mood, it is a record. Here is the deeper pain. Many people learned the critic voice from early environments. They were corrected more than they were guided, judged more than they were taught. So the critic became familiar, and familiar feels true. But Stoicism is a re-education. You become the leader of the mind, not the victim of the voice. Practice this daily for 7 days. Separate, demand evidence, translate into instruction, then prove once. Type in the comments, "I lead my mind."